Damn guys, check this out. Look at the mess in here. Got my projector up. Watch some movies. I'll show you that. I've got like a blind coming down. Pretty cool. My power wall's working great. It's started to work now in cold temperatures. I'm not sure why, or I don't know. Maybe because it's not as cold as it, you know, when I've done that little test. But yeah, it's working perfect. I'll switch it on with my acid batteries. Goes down to 11.4 because it reads that instead of my acid battery for some reason as well. So I might have to put it separate monitor. But obviously, if I got that on, I can read it from that anyway. So yeah, Alexa's doing good, controlling a few things in the van. Just waiting for a light bulb. I've got some adapters to put up, these little things, E27s. And yeah guys, got some bad news. And let me sit down, put the diesel heater on, and I'll explain. Okay, so the first thing is the aluminium bed done crap. Well, I'll tell you what it was. I bought all different aluminium rods. So I bought some electrodes, as you can see there. Crap. And 3 of those cost $8.99. I bought some Chinese ones, and apparently these ones here can work from a blowtorch. So when I was trying to bond the aluminium together, even when I, you know, rub this down with a wire brush or a grinder, when it gets up to 720 degrees, it's meant to melt in. Crap, didn't work. So, but this one's going like icicles. Oh. This one's like melting. Huh. These are new rods. Okay. Anyway, so I bought another brand. I think this one's called Flex, something like that, Flex. I bought 8 rods for about 12 quid. It worked, it melted. I had the bed all designed and, you know, all together, well, most of the rods. And I started pulling it and it started snapping, because obviously that's no good for me. And apparently this stuff here is meant to be really, really strong. You know, you see a lot of reviews on YouTube, people, what's going on? Okay, my power wall's going flat, so I have to switch it over to acid batteries. Anyway, yeah, this is meant to be really, really good. You know, the reviews I've seen, people can't break the materials together, but obviously I'm using corners, and the service on the corners is not that much, if you know what I mean, to get a better grip to the aluminium. So what I've just done, I bought I bought a MIG welder. Not a brand new one, I bought a pre-owned MIG welder because I tried arcing this with my arc welder because as I just said, there's a lot of videos on YouTube, people doing it with arc welders, with obviously aluminium rods and stuff. And all I was getting is this bad soldering, welder joints, and it wasn't sticking. All it was doing is like burning the material. It was too hot, or it wasn't sticking. Even the arc, it wouldn't, you know, you couldn't get the puddle. It was just crap. So anyway, I got the MIG welder. I'm just waiting for the MIG material, like it's a reel. So I bought aluminium reel of aluminium, and hopefully this time, fingers crossed, I'll get this done with the MIG welder. I bought a nice mask, and I bought a couple of more things, peeps. I bought this LED light, and I'm telling you now, this thing is so bright. I paid £4 for that, $4.20 or something like that. It's 12 volt, 24 volt. I haven't put it on the van yet. I've tested it, but I haven't put it on the van because I'm not sure how far my awning drops, and I want this to be outside next to the awning, and it's really bright, so it'll bright up the whole area. And I'm gonna have it on like a 12 volt switch. And I bought another thing from my shower, really, really good. If you've got a shower with a tray in it, let me just show it. Let me just get it first. Okay, this is the next thing I bought for the shower area. This is really, really good. The reason I'm telling this is really good, obviously when you got it all cut in and all that kind of stuff, you've got like a cup, so the cup stays inside, and then you just unscrew this, obviously with this bit, screw this off, and all the hair or whatever, if you've got all crap going down into your plug, especially women with hair, you lift this out and just throw your hair away. Pretty cool, instead of blocking up your pipe. So this is really good. This is $6.99. Quite good quality, really strong. It's really good. So it's better than my other one anyway, because my other one used to drop straight down in the ground, and it used to get blocked with all stuff like sand. You know, sand started melting up like cement, then hair, and I had to keep putting something down there to like clean it, but it wasn't cleaning the pipe properly, if you know what I mean. So yeah, I haven't used it, but I highly recommend it. I think the cup was a good idea. So yeah, back to the weldering. So obviously I've bought lots of different materials and items to do this project. I bought things like this, and in my last video I said you must need these. You do need them, but don't buy these ones. They are shit and they're crap. They don't even, some of them don't even open, and I've tried it with a vice and it snapped. Look at that, it just snapped. So these are a no-no, crap. I wouldn't try these, but I've got the one with a screw. I'll try and show you that in the video now, and that one works really, really good. Just, I think about £11 for one. So I bought, I think, 4 of these for £8. He gave me my money back because I told him, I sent him a video, a picture, and he said, okay, fair enough. He sent me my money back, so they're crap, they don't work. Yeah, that's about it. I'm just keeping you updated. I'm going to put my blind in now, and I might watch a movie on my projector, and I will show you that video in the next one, because I know people said they want to see it rigged up in the van. I'll show it. I'll show you it hanged up actually. Look, that's how I got it hanged up. Pretty cool. So just put it on the screen. Here's about 50-inch screen, and it projects quite nice. It projects about, I can't remember now, about 42-inch or something like that. It's quite big, quite a nice size. But yeah, that's that. Obviously the bed up there is all done. That's about it, peeps. Any questions, leave below, and yeah, I'll get back to you. But that's about it. I'm gonna cut out that now. I just need to get the bed in. As soon as I get the bed in, I can start, you know, arranging this bit better and start putting things in and tidy up the wires. And I've still got to put a few 240 plugs in. You know, I want to put 2 up here. No, sorry, 1 there, 1 there. The reason is I've got those heaters, what plug in the wall. Someone sent me one out. Check out the review. That's a really, really good little heater. And that's about it. Got another TV coming. Good little stand. Really good little stand. A ceiling stand, that is. Yeah, about it. That's about it, peeps. I have got some more items upstairs, but I ain't had the time to put them in the van. So as soon as I put them in and install them, I will show you. I've got another fridge as well, exactly the same. So check that review out. And that's about it, peeps. That is about it. I just came in here to make sure this window's not leaking, because when I put that one in, it was leaking all on the floor. So just coming in there now to check to see if it's leaking, and it's not. So that's pucker, that's sealed. Lovely. I need to put some foam in here though, foam it out, because that one fits perfectly. Perfectly. See, it's got its own little ledge, that one. Ouch, got to sand this down. But yeah, that one works. Pucker! Okay, peeps, Hobbies and Gadgets now signing out. Hopefully you enjoy and like and subscribe.